For today's training video, ituturo ko po sa inyo kung paano mag-activate ng inyong LiveGood account using your bank card in 3 easy steps. So ito po, i-share nyo po ito sa mga prospects ninyo, sa mga pre-enrollers nyo para ma-activate na po yung account nila using their bank cards. Alright? So ito na po, umpisa na po natin. First step, kailangan nyo lang pong pumunta sa Google or Chrome ninyo and visit this website, securemyposition.com. So i-type nyo po yan ng dikit-dikit, alright? Huwag nyo po ipaghihiwalay, securemyposition.com, at ito po yung lalabas. Ayan, alright? So all you need to do is just to enter your email dun sa box and click the View My Team button. Yan. Alright? So kapag kayo po ay naka-pre-enroll, may lalabas pong next page which is it. Yan, okay? So pag lumabas na po itong page na to, ibig sabihin naka-pre-enroll ka nga po kay LiveGood. Kung hindi po lumabas ang page na to, hindi pa po kayo naka-pre-enroll. Alright? So ask the link, the referral link of your enroller, of your sponsor, para makapag-pre-enroll na po kayo. Because we have a cut-off here. So may cut-off po tayo. It's every Thursday. This is US time. Pero pag Manila time po, it's Friday 3 p.m. Yan po yung cut-off natin. So all you need to do is to click the lock in your position pag okay na po kayo. Alright? Pag meron na po kayong pangbayad, pag kumpleto na po. Pero before you click that, please double check your enroller. Alright? Please double check your enroller. Kailangan nyo lang pong i-click yung box na nasa top right corner ng screen ninyo. Usually sa phone, okay, sa Android phone ninyo, makikita nyo po yung may tatlong bars na icon sa top right. Pindutin nyo lang po yon at pindutin nyo po yung My Enroller para makita nyo po kung nasa tamang enroller po kayo. Okay? Just to make sure lang po. Ngayon, kapag okay naman po, ayan, pindutin nyo po yung Lock in your position. And number 3, step 3, fill out the form na po. Okay? So, yung first name, last name, tsaka email, auto-populate na po yan kasi nga po yan po yung ginamit nyo for your pre-enrollment. Double check nyo lang po kung tama ang spelling ng inyong email. Kasi sa email natin makukuha or marireceive yung mga notification ni LiveGood. Lalo na kung kunwari makalimutan mo yung password mo. Pag nakalimutan mo yung password mo, pwede mong i-request kung ano yung password mo at isesend ni LiveGood yun sa email mo. Okay? So enter nyo lang po yung phone number nyo, select the country kung nasan po kayo, then enter your name again, address line number 1, usually dyan po yung subdivision, yung street name, barangay, yung sitio, yung purok, yan. Sa address line number 2, dyan yung barangay. Alright? Then city, okay? Yung state, kung kunwari nasa Manila po kayo, Quezon City, yeah, within NCR, so NCR lang po lagay nyo, pwede na. Pero pag nasa Bulacan po kayo, lagay nyo po BUL, B-U-L, kasi 2 to 3 letters lang po yan. Alright? Then zip code, yan ang importante. Dapat tama po yung zip code ninyo para ma-identify po kayo ng postal office. Okay? This is for the delivery of your orders here in LiveGood. So after po nyan, scroll down ka lang, makikita nyo yung next information na needs to be filled out. Username, okay, lagay lang po kayo ng username, dikit-dikit po yan dapat. Numbers, letters, alright, yan po yung pwede dyan. Then yung password nyo po, huwag nyong kalimutan, alright, huwag kalimutan yung password na yan. And confirm password, ulitin nyo lang po at huwag nyo pong kakalimutan yan, okay? Then, payment method, so since sa training na to gagamitin natin ang bank card, yan lang po yung pagpipilian nyo, credit card or cryptocurrency. So pipiliin nyo muna yung credit card. So ang credit card, naka-category po dyan si debit card, si virtual card. Alright? Then all you need to do is just to encode your card information. Name on the card, credit card type, is it Visa, MasterCard, or Discover card? So dito sa Pinas, it's Visa and MasterCard lang naman ang tinatanggap. Then credit card number, expiry date, at security number. So ano ba itsura ng card? Credit card, coach team. Ito lang naman siya. So makikita nyo po dyan yung Visa and MasterCard logo sa card ninyo. Pag wala po yan, ibig sabihin ordinary ATM card lang po yan for withdrawal. Okay? So kung makikita nyo po yan, pwede po yan gamitin kay LiveGood. I-enter nyo lang po yung 16 credit card number or debit card number or virtual card number. Then enter nyo po yung expiry date and yung 3 numbers which is yung security code sa likod ng card ninyo, yung actual card. Nasa signature panel po yan, alright? So yan po yung security code. Yan lang naman po yung mga kailangan nyo to activate your account. Alright? So ngayon, kung meron naman kayong virtual card, ito for example, ito po ay ang Maya virtual card, i-click nyo lang po yung eyelashes na yan. Alright? Press the eyelashes para lumabas po yung card information nyo. Usually sa Maya po, dapat may laman yung card nyo or may laman yung account nyo ng more than 100 pesos. Kasi kung wala pong 100 pesos yan, hindi po magpapakita yung information na yan. Okay? So, just a simple tip, kung wala po kayong credit card, wala kayong debit card, mag-apply na lang po kayo ng virtual card sa Maya. Pwede din po sa GoTime, pwede din po sa CIMB. Yan po yung mga bank cards or sorry, mga accounts or apps, sorry. Mga apps na pwede kayong bigyan ng virtual card for free. So kailangan nyo lang po mag-verify using your valid ID, one valid ID. Alright? So ngayon, enter nyo lang po yung information na kailangan sa credit card info. Pag kumpleto na po yan, pili na lang po kayo kung anong membership ang gusto nyo. Is it the $49.95, yung $40 for the one-time affiliation sign-up fee, and the $9.95 for the first month, or option 2, yung $40 affiliation fee plus the 12-month membership na makaka-discount ka ng 2 months. So 1 year po yan for only $99.95, right? $99.95. So pwede nyo pong i-avail yan para makasave po kayo. So depende kung ano po yung budget ninyo. Pag okay na po yan, just scroll down and then fill out nyo lang po yung copy, yung shipping address ng credit card or debit card ninyo or ng virtual card ninyo. Kung parehas lang naman po, pwede nyo lang po pindutin yan, copy shipping address, or you can simply do the manual encoding. Pag okay na po yan, click nyo lang po yung continue. At pag click nyo po ng continue, i-verify lang po yan ng system kung tama ba yung in-enter mong information. Alright? Kaya ito sa pag-scroll mo po, okay, pag tingin nyo po sa baba, makikita nyo rin po ito to confirm kung tama ba yung address na in-enter mo. So kung tama lahat, i-click mo lang po itong I understand that I will be charged $49.95 at I agree to the policies and procedures. Click nyo lang po yan or i-tick nyo lang po yan, yung dalawang box na yan, and complete my sign up. So napakadali, no? Ganun lang po. Ngayon, kung maka-experience po kayo ng gantong error like invalid card info, ibig sabihin lang po niyan, you need to double check your card information. Baka nagkamali ka ng credit card number, ng expiry date, or ng security numbers. Alright? Check nyo lang po yan. Pag naka-experience naman po kayo ng card declined, insufficient funds, kulang lang po yung laman ng card ninyo or ng account ninyo. Kasi usually, maglagay po kayo ng around 3,000 pesos for the activation. Kasi may certain fees din po yan eh. Alright? Ngayon, kung kayo po ay maka-experience naman ng invalid transaction, ang kailangan nyo lang gawin dyan ay to check your online bank app. Okay? So for example, kung kayo po ay gumagamit ng BPI, Union Bank, Land Bank, check nyo lang po yung mobile app ninyo and allow international purchase and e-commerce. Alright? Usually nasa card settings po yan para lang po ma-allow yung international transactions. And another experience or another error is the card is already in use. Ibig sabihin lang po niyan, one card per person only policy tayo. Yan. So hindi nyo pwede gamitin yung credit card or debit card niyo sa another account. So 1:1 po kasi tayo. Okay? Kaya kung kunwari gusto nyo gamitin yun, kung kunwari meron kang 3 cards at gusto mo i-enter yung 3 family mo, pwede po yung ganon. Pero kung kayo po ay nag-iisa lang po, may isang card lang po kayo, pero 3 kayo, hindi nyo pwede gamitin yung 1 card for the 3 family members. Okay? So if everything goes well, welcome and congratulations. Yun, ganun lang po kasimple. So all you need to do is just to share this video to your prospects, to your pre-enrollers, para makapag-umpisa na po silang mag-live good business.